Did you hear that?
Yes.
Okay, that means it's on.
Recording in progress.
Yep.
It said.
They don't hear that though. So we are here for episode 5, I think this is, of Norward Thinking. So we haven't been here in a while. We've been on vacation. Stop wiping your mouth. Don't wipe your mouth. That's perfect. Okay, good. You're doing good. Just don't wipe your face on it. You just write like that, just without doing your face on it. Okay, don't lick it. Seriously. Okay. So we've been on vacation. We were up in Wisconsin, right? Did you have fun? What all did we do? Do you remember?
I remember.
You forgot? Well, we had Lily and Lucy up there, a couple of my friends' daughters. So we had like a daddy-daughter weekend, which was really cool. Don't that has bug stuff on it, doesn't it? It keeps bugs away. Do you think that you would want to eat that? Would you eat bug spray? No, I wouldn't eat that thing then. It's cool. It's a bug necklace. It's supposed to scare bugs away.
No, it doesn't scare.
How does it work?
It smells bugs away.
Smells them away?
The smell is too bad for the bugs.
Yeah, it kind of smells like citronella kind of smell.
Yeah.
Do you like the smell? Okay. But don't eat it though, even though you like the smell. They probably have something citronella flavored that you can eat. Do you think they have a citronella flavored sucker? God, I hope not. I already doubt it. Anyway, so we're on vacation. We went to Wisconsin.
I read a jet ski. I was on the jet ski in Spirit Lake.
Oh, in Spirit Lake, not in Wisconsin. Well, you rode on a jet ski? What did you think of it?
I loved it.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, gosh. Those are dangerous. They're crazy.
They went slow.
Oh, did they?
Once I went up with my mom.
Oh, yeah. Was she driving? That's cool.
I was with Lou every
Okay.
time.
Good. Was it scarier than tubing?
No.
No? Is tubing is more scary?
Yes. Yeah, I was holding on to Mom.
Okay.
Life jacket, and we never fell off.
But we fell off on the tube, didn't we? We bunked.
That's more scarier.
It's scarier?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
I saw my sister and Mikey fell off of the jet ski.
Really? Are they going too fast?
Yes.
Oh, man. That's wild.
Mikey was driving.
It's a crazy driver.
Do you know Jojo tips with Mikey and he never falls off?
They tip but don't fall.
They go like this sideways, this far sideways.
How?
They tip it over to here.
Are they just spinning circles?
No, they actually make it do this.
Your hands are dirty. Okay. Well, that's cool. Riding a jet ski, huh? Okay. And send this back over here.
And we righted the boat.
Cool. All right. So yeah, we did a lot of stuff on vacation. We did golfing. We went fishing. We went tubing with those other girls. We went to a lot of restaurants, got ice cream every day. Right? Mm-hmm.
Do you know how to do this?
Yeah, I think I can do that.
I make it go up
Okay.
instead of down.
I think your favorite thing was the wilderness walk. Is that true? I mean, what was
And
your
the ice cream.
and just ice cream every day? So what was your favorite animal on the wilderness walk? I haven't done it since I was a little kid.
I loved the tiger and that animal I don't really know, so it's in the cat family.
Bobcat?
No,
Mm,
it was big.
Big as a tiger?
No.
Cougar. Was that one? We saw the cougar. Yeah, you liked that one.
Yeah, too.
I'll have to show you this meme. I saw a meme of somebody found a cougar and was giving it a bath. And they were saying somebody lost their cat. I don't think it was real. I think it's just a joke.
Yeah, me too.
But that cougar was cute. Probably eat Marvel though. Do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would trade their cougar for, they would probably play together nicely. What if we had a wolf and a dog too?
So a wolf, a dog, a cougar, and a house cat all lived in the same house.
Yes.
I think that's a recipe for destruction. Yeah, I don't know. We're lucky that Marvel and Charlie get along so well. But do you think that a wolf and a cougar would get along? Oh, really? Okay. I don't think so.
I think they would.
I don't think they stand a chance. So last time, speaking of animals, last time we were in here, episode 3, we had our chickens all got chased down and killed by something. We still don't know what, but we do have more chickens, right?
Yeah, we have 8.
Now we have even more.
Yeah, we used to have 7. 5 got killed. Still have 2 of them, and we added 6 more.
Added 6 more. So that really wasn't the deal that I wanted to do, but the guy that we got the chickens from was so he wanted to get rid of the chickens. So he wanted to get rid of eggs. He said he had too many eggs. So he made a deal I couldn't refuse, and he made me take 6, even though I only wanted 4. He says it wouldn't be worth his time if it was less than 5. And I was like, fine, I'll take 5. He goes, yeah, but you're going to want to sit. You're going to want 6.
Why?
He goes, I'll give you 3 for 20. Could I give a couple away? I think 8's too many for that little cage. Do you think we could give a couple away to like Aaron and Becky or someone that has chickens already?
No.
No? Why?
Because I still want 8.
Why? 8's a good number for you? Okay.
Yeah, what if 7 got killed? Still had 1.
Yeah, I guess that's a decent point. What if 7 got killed? Then we would still have 1.
So we'd actually be crying real tears.
Again, with the real tears thing. Okay. Well, yeah, I don't know. You hid a candy from your dad, but your dad could hear everything that you're saying, and there's no one else in this room. They're going to see this like 2 weeks from now. So you'll have, is it the sucker that's in the cord? That's your hiding job? That's your hidden candy?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Well, I mean, do you want help opening it to eat it? You've already had 1 sucker. Do you need another one? That's orange cream. That was supposed to be mine. Are you sure you want it? You don't know.
I do. I was saying yes.
Okay. Don't lick the thing. We got to wipe that down. Thank God we have the Clorox wipes. Don't lick it. Don't lick it. Talk into it. Talk closer. But don't lick it. As a snake. We saw a snake today, didn't we? Yeah.
2.
2 snakes. Water snakes. What would you do with those? You didn't even want to touch it.
Yeah. Chirp, chirp.
Were you scared of it?
No.
No.
Chirp, chirp.
Was this a bird? What is it?
Chirp, chirp. Cheetah.
A cheetah. Okay, so you think that cheetahs chirp?
Yeah.
What did you say to Google to get it to tell you that? So I didn't hear it.
Do cheetahs roar?
Do they purr? Is what you asked.
Do they purr?
Hey Google, do cheetahs purr?
No, I said.
According to SeaWorld.org, cheetahs produce a variety of sounds including growls, purrs that generally denote contentment, chirps, and an explosive yelp heard by humans from 2 kilometers.
So I don't know if they could hear that, but it says it does chirp. That they denote contentment. Purrs that generally denote contentment. Chirps between a mother and her cubs. But I guess, when Marvel sees a bird, I think when cats see birds, you've heard that go, that noise. I think that's like a chirp, right?
Yeah. That's a
Yeah.
funny noise.
Yeah, that
They
is a
make.
funny noise. I don't know whether they even know what they're doing when they make that noise, right? They're just like, doesn't seem like they even know why it happens. My old cat, Ultimate Warrior, would like her mouth would go, her mouth would go up and down. It's weird. I don't hear Marvel make this noise that much.
Why does her not?
I don't know. Ask her when we get home. You can ask her.
Her won't respond
Why?
because her can't talk.
She doesn't understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, so have you back to these chickens, have you named any of these new chickens?
They're the same names.
They're the same names.
Yeah, they have the same names as the old ones.
What are those names? I'm gonna write them down.
We still have one of them. So there's a twin one. It has the same name.
Scoot over here. There you go.
You remember those Goldie
Goldie is my favorite.
and Goldie. There's another one.
Goldie and Goldie. We have 2 Goldies. I'll spell it different so we can keep track. Then what?
Remember that other one? Nicey.
Nicey.
And we only have one Nicey.
Okay. But Nicey has 2 names. Right? What's the other name? Nicey /
Azzy.
Azzy. Going on. What else? What are the other names of the chickens?
Ultimate.
Ultimate?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't remember this from the first round of chickens, but okay. I like it. It's kind of a tribute to my old cat.
Gold.
Old?
Gold.
Gold. Now, wait a minute. We got Goldie, and another one is going to be Gold. I'm worried this is getting too confusing. Do you forget the names of the chickens that we had before? Well, then how come we're going to have 3 that are the same names?
We are having 2. It's the same names. Gold. Gold.
Okay, I remember one name that I liked was Joe Biden.
And gold.
I'm not writing gold again. We got Goldie and Goldie, and then I'm not going to have another gold that you can think of another name, right?
Iron.
Iron Man,
No, iron.
just iron. Oh, don't do that.
Like Iron Man, though. Iron.
Just iron. The Iron Chicken. How about we call it Iron Chicken? That's kind of funnier. Okay. Iron Chicken. We had a cream puff. Do you want to rename one cream puff?
Cream puff and cream puff.
Two named cream puff now?
Yeah, because we still have cream puff. Remember?
Yeah, do we?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have two named cream puff. I'll just put these little dashes so I don't have to write that again. One last chicken to name. Do you remember?
Fitchel.
What?
Fitchel.
Fitchel?
No, Fitch.
Fitch?
Yeah. Like, oh, goldfinch. Finch.
Finch.
Goldfinch.
Another. I'm not writing gold down again. Not
No,
giving
goldfinch.
Right? Goldfinch. How about we change one of the Goldies to Goldfinch and then come up with a new name? Somehow I think these aren't the same names we had before.
Then Goldie.
Goldie and Goldie, which I spelled differently so we can keep track. Nicey/Azzy, Ultimate, Joe Biden, Iron Chicken, Cream Puff, and Goldfinch. I don't know that these were very well thought out, but
Can I see if there's 8 names?
there is. This means cream puff again when I put those dashes. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9? What?
Let me do it.
Well, then let's get rid of one of the goldfinches or goldies.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah, I can count to 9. All right. Well, how do you like these chickens? Do you think they're any better or worse than the last chickens or the same? I think they're bigger.
I think they're bigger. I think they're kind of small and big. I think they're medium bigger.
What does that mean? Medium bigger. Wouldn't that mean the same?
No, I mean small and big, like half of me, like half of me, like they're this tall, like this tall, like this tall.
Okay. All right. No, that's supposed to, this screen is supposed to block the wind from hitting it like that. Okay. Yeah, I have here your tattoo. I did write a couple notes on it of stuff to
Why?
talk about, but this is your tattoo from last night going to Pizza Ranch.
Why did you not put it on?
I don't know. I'll put it on after this. What do you say when we take the break? We'll put it on, huh? Okay.
Okay, ready, set, guys.
Ready, set, guys. All right.
Do, do.
This is a cube that we got on vacation. We have another one of these cubes at home. We've learned that you can make shapes and then combine them. Multiple cubes.
Yeah.
Shishibo cube, I think.
And ready, set, guys, again. We'll be.
Oh, this is a toy podcast now?
Yeah.
Showing off our toys. Okay. This is a puppet in the shape of an Among Us character. What do you think about this toy?
I love it.
Yeah? Why?
Because it's satisfying to put down.
Talk into the microphone and tell me
It's
what you love about
satisfying.
it.
It's satisfying to pop.
And you just pop these things back and forth.
Mm. No, you turn it backwards and then pop it again.
Then you flip it and talk again, or flip it and pop it again.
Hear that, guys?
Pop it into the microphone and talk into the microphone.
Whoa, that's satisfying.
Do you ever get satisfied? Because you just flip it over and pop it again. So I think it would be like anti-satisfying. It never stays popped. You just flip it over and it's
Pops
Pop.
again.
pops again. So is it satisfying or not?
It's satisfying.
Okay. Okay. Well, on that note, our toy podcast is done.
No, it's not.
It's not.
We have to pop the other side.
It never ends. It's never satisfied. I'm going to stop this one for now. I don't know how long we've been going, but I'm going to stop it for now just so we can do another one. Okay. And you just continue to pop that thing. So this is episode 5 of Norward Thinking. Are you going to pay attention to the podcast anymore if you're popping that thing?
I am.
Okay. I'm ending it now. Thanks for watching. This is Norward
Bye.
Thinking.
Like and subscribe.
Oh, yeah. What do you say?
And comment.
I think I have the comments turned off.
Can you turn them on, Dad?
Do you want to read what YouTube people have to say about this?
Yeah.
I don't want to see what they have to say. What do they say? Like and don't forget to smash that subscribe button.
And share.
Share
And comment.
and comment.
Poppets and toys are the best thing on earth.
Okay. Poppets and toys are the best.
No, the best on earth.
Oh, okay.
Daddy, I know how to make it back into
Okay.
space.
Until next time. Ending.